Are you looking to unlock the 26 and 2 hot yoga sequence without having to slog it out every day for years and years? 8 years ago, as a senior hot yoga teacher, I was teaching the likes of Lady Gaga, Benedict Cumberbatch, Hayley Atwell, Olivia Williams, Toby Jones, Maxine Peake, Gemma Arterton, and a whole host of other celebrities. It was an amazing experience. However, at that time, my yoga practice was making my arthritic joints and back pain worse. Yoga was not healing my body. But then I sat down with a bunch of experts in the field of sports recovery and longevity and analysed why my yoga practice was destroying my body. It became blindingly clear what the problem was, and I completely changed my approach. It's insane just how much flexibility and strength I've been able to achieve since then. I now enjoy running again, which many doctors said would be impossible for me to do. It's all too easy to get stuck on a yoga treadmill, simply going through the motions, not really moving forward. In my webinar, starting right now, I outline how a simple shift in the way you target your effort will totally revitalize your 26 and 2 yoga practice, transforming your flexibility, your strength, energy, vitality, clarity of mind, awareness, almost overnight. And that I guarantee.